The welding industry is growing, and there are plenty of opportunities available for those who are interested. The field has over 43,000 jobs available nationwide, and employers are seeking people who have hands-on experience. The Welding Technology program at Universal Technical Institute can help give students the education they need to get started. One process covered in the program is metal inert gas welding, or MIG welding. MIG welding is also known as gas metal arc welding, or GMAW. MIG welding uses constant voltage equipment to create heat from a direct current electric arc. Current is carried from a continuous solid wire electrode that is sent through the welding gun. It is accompanied by a MIG welding gas that helps shield the electrode from contamination. MIG welding is used in industries ranging from manufacturing to construction. The MIG process is popular because it gives welders lots of control over the settings they use. While MIG welding is a commonly used method, it's important to note that this technique is for indoor use only, due to the shielding gas that is used. This is to avoid contamination of the electrode, which can occur during outdoor welding. Learning MIG welding basics can give you the foundational knowledge you need to find success in the industry. UTI's Welding Technology program is available at 7 campuses nationwide: Avondale, Arizona; Long Beach, California; Rancho Cucamonga, California; Lisle, Illinois; Bloomfield, New Jersey; Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas; Houston, Texas. You can graduate in 36 weeks from the Welding Technology program at UTI. Take the first step toward a career path you're excited about.